I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima key fob battery. Easy method. Open the fob seam gently with a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Pry just enough to separate the halves without snapping clips. Remove the old CR2032 battery, note the polarity, and insert the new CR2032 positive side up. Press the halves together until they click, test each button, and store spares responsibly. I'll walk you through simple tools and safety for this job. You only need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, a new CR2032 battery, and tweezers for grip. Work on a clean surface to avoid losing tiny parts. Avoid using excessive force to prevent breaking plastic clips. Keep batteries away from children and pets. Check buttons work before you finish and store the old battery for proper disposal. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more quick car tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh interior. I spotted it in the video and it really brightened my ride. Try one if you want a simple upgrade. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After replacing the battery, test each button to confirm signal and range. If the fob doesn't respond, open it and verify battery polarity and seating. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab if tarnished. If problems persist, your key fob may need professional reprogramming or replacement. Check your car's manual section on keyless entry for model-specific notes. If the remote works inconsistently, replace the battery every few years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.